welcome back to the video. In this video today I'm going to show you how to make some high protein waffles, very quick and easy. First thing that you'll need is egg whites, and I just used the Great Value egg whites, and we're going to use 4 servings of this, which is 184 grams. Next, what you're going to use is some unsweetened applesauce, and I'm going to use a half cup of this, which is 123 grams. Next up, coconut flour. You can use regular white flour if you want to use regular white flour. I just use the coconut flour because it has more fiber in it. And all we're going to do is use 2 tablespoons or 15 grams of the coconut flour. Next up is going to be a whey protein, and you can use any type of whey protein that you want to use. It's just going to change the flavor of how it tastes. And I'm going to be using birthday cake, and this has 130 calories for each scoop. I'm going to be using 2 scoops. So 2 scoops of the protein. It's going to add 48 grams of protein. Depending on which kind of protein you use, each have a little bit more or less protein in it. Last, I'm going to be adding baking soda, and we're going to do 5 grams. And that's all you're going to need to make your batter up for the pancakes. So really only 5 ingredients. You need some egg whites, some unsweetened applesauce. Make sure it's unsweetened to keep it lower in calorie. Baking soda, coconut flour, and your whey protein. Now after getting all that stuff together, just get your whisk. You're going to mix all this stuff here together in a bowl. Now these high protein pancakes are really going to help keep you full. We're going to have quite a bit of protein in there. And the higher the protein, the better the thermal effect. It takes longer for your body to break it down, so it uses the calories up to actually break it down. Because it's a lot harder for your body to break down protein than it is fat, because fat's already fat. when making these recipes, a lot of protein. Even if your main goal is not building muscle, protein helps just keep you full, and your body will break it down differently, meaning it uses less of the calories. So when you're trying to stay full and trying to stay low calorie, protein, a higher protein diet is very good. So there's our batter, and then I'm gonna take it over to the stove and start making these up. Now, you don't have to if you don't want to, but I definitely like to add some blueberries to this, especially when you're doing like a birthday cake or a vanilla. Blueberries, strawberries. I'm gonna use about a cup of blueberries. So I'm gonna add about 84 calories or so to these pancakes, so not much added calories. But if you want to do this, go ahead and do this and just add 84 calories. It's not going to add much on there. And then you're going to hit it with some non-stick 0-calorie spray, olive oil, butter spray, whatever you want to use. And this is going to make you some decent sized pancakes, and you're probably going to get about, say, 4 to 6 pancakes depending on what size you make them. So you're going to get quite a bit of pancakes here for around 500 calories. And I'll do the breakdown here and all that after I make these up. As you see, they're starting to come out pretty nice here. So you're going to get some decent sized pancakes here. If you're making them a little bit less than that, doing half, you're going to get more, but just whatever size you want to make them. There you go. 5 very hefty sized pancakes. So not bad at all. And this whole thing is 500 calories. That's minus the blueberries. If you add the blueberries, that's 84. So 584 calories if you add the blueberries. But you see, this fills up this whole plate. Quite a bit of pancakes. They're very delicious. They taste amazing for how low in calorie they are. And I'll give you the breakdown here. So it's 500 calories minus the blueberries, 41 grams of carbs, 6 grams of fat, and 71 grams of protein. So, I mean, you're getting tons of protein from these pancakes. You're not going to get that from any other pancakes at all. We used 2 scoops of protein. We used 4 servings of liquid egg whites. We used 1 serving of unsweetened applesauce. We used 1 serving of coconut flour. And then I'm going to add 6 tablespoons of a sugar-free maple syrup. It's only going to add 30 calories. And if you want to add some butter to your pancakes, just use, I can't believe it's not butter spray. It's going to be 0 calories, okay? 0 calories. Spray it right on top. Now you buttered your pancakes, add the syrup, and these things taste amazing. And again, I mean, if this is too much for you, share it with your wife, share it with your husband, share it with your kids, boyfriend, girlfriend, doesn't matter. Eat half of them. I mean, that's quite a bit of pancakes there for 500 calories. So thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell button to be notified of any new videos that come out. And you guys have a great day. So I just wanted to come back and show you, I just ate half of these things, and they really are filling. Definitely will fill you up for the majority of your breakfast, or if you're eating these for lunch. These things taste amazing. And with as much protein in it and less fat, I mean, these things are really going to help you Stay low calorie, stay lean if that's what you're trying to do. So definitely try these recipes out if this is something that you want to do. It's quick and easy. It's only 5 ingredients. So it really isn't that hard to make if you put in a little bit of time. It took, I mean, maybe all said and done, 10 minutes to make this. So not bad prep time for as much as you're getting out of these. So again, thank you guys for watching my videos. Please hit the bell button, subscribe if you haven't already, and you guys have a great day.